Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to log out, you just click here on log out here. So then automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Okta app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.